video channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish is called oyster flavored fried bok choy with Chinese black mushroom. The main ingredients we need a bunch of bok choy and 6 Chinese black mushroom and soak in the water, let it become soft. You rinse it and you soak in the water, it become soft and we cut it. And 2 garlic, those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the garlic. This is a Chinese black mushroom. I soak in the water right now. I just drain the water. It's already soft, so we just cut it, slice it, very thin. It will be like this. Look like the bok choy. We cut this part off. We cut it this one. The green part like this.
There's watermelon, Baba. There's watermelon, Baba.
No watermelon.
Watermelon.
Get on the stove. High fire. When the pot is hot, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to it. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Rinse the pot. When the oil is hot, we add the garlic to it. Just wait for it. Okay, we add the garlic to the oil. When the garlic smell, the good smell, we added the mushroom to it. Fry mushroom for a few minutes. Then we add bok choy into it. Bok choy we add into it. Give it fry. With the black pepper, we add a pinch of black pepper to it. Don't add too much. This is the salt. We add the, let's see, half teaspoon salt to it and fry it. This is the oyster sauce, and you can any brand is okay. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Okay. We try the bok choy. They need to cook a little well. The mushroom is good. Bok choy becomes soft, we can off the stove and put a bok choy to the plate. So, oyster flavor fried bok choy with Chinese black mushroom. This dish is done, and I hope you like it.